You won't hear it in the headlines. You won't see it trending every day. But behind the noise of the world, there's a nation rising with quiet fire. Not loud, not flashy, but resilient, resourceful, and relentless. This is the Indonesian mentality. Stronger through struggle. From colonization to crisis, from disasters to divisions, Indonesia has endured it all. But it didn't break. It adapted. It united. It grew. Because Indonesian strength doesn't shout. It survives. It rebuilds. It rises. Humble roots, big dreams. In the rice fields, in the kampung, in the crowded cities, you'll find the same spirit. Hustle, heart, and humility. They don't wait for chances, they make them. They don't complain, they work quietly and dream loudly. United in diversity. Thousands of islands, hundreds of cultures, dozens of languages, one flag, one soul. Indonesia's power comes from its ability to stand together, even when it's easier to fall apart. This is not just nationalism, this is mental toughness in harmony. Patience with purpose. Indonesia doesn't move recklessly, it moves with intent. Calm on the surface, fire underneath, smiling faces with steel in their will. Because behind every pilan is a nation ready to go all in when the time is right. The Indonesian mentality isn't about being the loudest, it's about being the most grounded, rooted in history, focused on progress, unshaken by pressure. Share this if you know greatness doesn't need to scream. Subscribe, respect the roots, rise with the mindset. This is Indonesia. Quiet strength, unshakable spirit.